We're at the entry of Bauang here, so this is where it starts. We come from Nagilian and we enter inside Bauang, but first, before we go to the market and at the sea, we took a little pause here and we're about to eat some empanadas with my wife. Then we'll get a good seat here. Look at that place. Cold drink, but look at here. We have some good seating. So we'll eat and then after that we will show you the market. We're now at the entry of Bauang Market. Let's take a look inside how it is. Let's go, John. So we're entering here. We have coconut and we're really entering the meat and fish side. This is all tilapia, yeah. They have coconut at 60 pesos. And this is a sticky rice, this one. So yeah, compared to maybe what we see in Baguio, for sure we'll see more often coconut and all meals that are related with it also. So this is smaller bangos, bigger one.
Hello guys.
Hello, welcome.
Welcome. Hello guys.
Hello.
Yes.
You can see Bauang people are not camera shy here.
Welcome to
Hello,
the Philippines.
welcome.
Yeah, it's more fun in the Philippines, sir.
Thank you. For sure, it's true. That's why I'm here. I've been in Philippines for 4 years and more now, so fully fun. So we have many lines here. This part is really into the fish, and on this side, it's meat. It's not every stall that are open at this time of the day, but yeah, they have choice. They have liver. Hello. So of course, we saw even the tail.
This is where we buy the hot banana cue here.
Ah, okay.
Do you remember?
It's been what, 2 years ago maybe? It's been long.
4 years.
4 years ago. So here, okay, this is food on the go, banana cue for sure. What is that one?
Cassava, I guess.
Make with cassava?
Ay, flour lang. This is a flour. And kamote, banana.
Ah, yeah, kamote cue. I like that one. Yeah, okay. Here they have a lumpia roll. Or have a bit of veggies. Taro. Ginger. We eat a lot of ginger at home. Really, Joyce. It's part of her culture from Ifugao. I guess they're really into ginger.
They're 60 pesos.
60 pesos for the dip pig. Those one you can boil them.
I guess we will go there and we'll go right there.
Okay, I follow you.
Of course, they have cabbage here, but it came from Benguet,
Mountain.
from us.
Yeah.
Those one are hard to dye. So.
Ah, okay. They last a bit longer.
Yeah, my gosh, they have crab.
We don't see often like that, yeah? Not where we are.
And then they
Oh,
have
the bigger shrimps like.
the shrimp.
This one is a bit pinky.
The Dalagang bukid.
For some
Yeah,
soft
Dalagang
water.
bukid.
Yeah. Dalagang Bukit. Did I tell me people? Did I pronounce it well?
My favorite.
If you apologize.
These are also a corn like this, colorful. Violet and red. Yeah, this one yung fit mushroom and corn. Mushroom and corn.
Together?
Yeah.
We're well here. I was expecting maybe it will get hot at this hour. We're entering the hot hours of the day, but we're well covered, and with the shade we're comfortable. We really have a good time today here at Bauang.
From this side.
Okay, we'll check a bit. What is that one? Ah, for sure, rice. Huh?
They are cheaper here. The rice is cheaper here.
Oh yeah, it's lower. So it's all rice on that zone.
Wow. Rice.
Meron ikaw bigay ngayon?
So you're having
And then, okay, little grocery.
Para makatipid ako sa ulo. Tingnan mo rin.
More loaf bread. So we have many here. It's all about bread here.
we have a lot of those. Of course. We're getting into Christmas. For sure they have a lot of pogi naman. Philippines. Even if it's their season.
I guess you're buttering now. He's dealing a price maybe. There is a bit of bread here. Cindy's bread.
Oh, they have this one.
You don't have that brand where we are.
Oh,
Cindy's.
we have.
We have a
Baguio.
Baguio. Yeah. Okay.
Which one? There are.
Okay. Up to you. We're going to the new zone.
They are going out. Those are pharmacies.
Pharmacy. Many products. Let's take that line here.
It's restaurant.
I see that they have many pharmacy here. Restaurant and then clothes. We're entering a clothes place. Dresses. And if I offer her good dresses to Joyce, she will say no, not that style. And she will not even look, and she already say no, so I cannot choose for her. I'll let her choose. Shomai, Shopao. Hello. Hey, welcome to my 1 million followers. So we're on the loop outside now. There is more inside. We did not make all the alleys. And I'm probably sure that upper, it's a mix of restaurant, eatery, and maybe ukay-ukay a bit, or mixed with new clothes. It's really similar built with the one at Nagilian, that a little town also that is not too far from here.
We can show the street.
We'll show you
The street.
the street here outside. Street life, how it is. Very sunny and hot here. Really, we're well shaded on that market where we're comfortable. And the motor parking. So that's up for the market of Bauang. So we're very close to the sea, but this little boy here, we entered to get the water, but he was saying, he found the ref and he was saying, ice cream, ice cream. So for sure we buy him an ice cream. So oops. So we're very close to the sea. We eat a little bit here, take a little pause on the sari-sari, and then we go to the sea. So here we are at Bauang seaside. We just arrived. It's been what, maybe up to 3 months that I did not see the sea, so it's good to be here. There's a good wind, the air is fresh. We're after the typhoon, so during the week time, so not many people at the beach today. There's some far there, very far, and some younger one there playing. Then outside of that we have like a group there, maybe one family here eating, and another small group there, but not that much people today. That's fine, we have the beach for us.
Yeah, we're on a...
John, I found something for you. Look here. What is there?
Get it.
Huh?
Look,
What?
it's same. No, it's same here.
I have a shelf.
Oh.
Yay! You will bring it home?
Oh, you get it. We'll find more.
Very relaxing. So Joyce don't have anything to go in the water. She only bring her shoes, but guess me and John, we're fine. We're game. Come with me. Give me your hands. We go in the water. Yoo-hoo! Yay! He was very young last time we come to the sea, so I let him enjoy. Look, 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 look. There's waves coming. Wow, they're coming! Yoo-hoo! Look, I hold him, he loses balance. Okay. Oh, look, 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 there's bigger. John, 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 look. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Careful, it's coming. Yoo-hoo! It's pulling, huh? You feel? Ah, that's good. The water is just good, really. There's a bigger one coming. I guess I will need to hold him maybe on that one. Come with me, John. We'll go a bit back because there's a big one. Come here.